URL parameter is a great tool to help you collect and analyze your submission results easier. For instance, if you need to share your survey on various platforms, you can use this feature to identify where the respondents came from. You can also use this feature if you know some information about your survey takers to save their time and ensure the accuracy of the survey. Now, let's understand how to enable the URL parameter feature on our surveys. Keep in mind that this feature does not work with the question types date and time, metric scale checkbox, star list, slider list, file upload, and HTML question types. For instance, when we want to add a URL parameter to a radio question, we go to the below right corner of the question and click on the 3 vertical dots. From here, we choose the URL parameter option and type the variable we want. Then we go to our survey page and start to make our changes in the URL. Now, on our survey page, from the URL part, we do the following changes. Type the and symbol and then write radio equals and then the value that we want to be chosen automatically. For example, in this case, if we want to be the Poland option to be chosen, we write number 3. Now we can see that the parameter worked and our desired option is already chosen. This feature is also very popular with hidden question types because you can share the surveys with specific scenarios. For instance, when we want to send the survey to the marketing and development team employees, we can assign URL parameters and it will be easier to track and analyze the results separately. Let's see how the URL parameter works for hidden questions. In the same way as we did for the radio type question, we go to the settings of the question and from the 3 dotted vertical menu, we choose the URL parameter feature. And here we write, for example, department. Then we save our changes and go to preview it. Now, when we type here and department equals, for example, marketing, and then we fill out the survey. From our submissions part, we can see that the answer for the hidden question is marketing. This will let us to filter and analyze our submission results easier.